Yo! Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm down in Wastwater in the Lake District and going to be doing a little bit more of that cinematic stuff for you. I also want to talk to you about my favourite lens. Well, if you didn't guess what it was, it's the 24-70. Now let me tell you why. Because the 24-70 simply kicks ass. Now I'm not saying the 24-70 is the only great lens, but it is pretty damn awesome, and here's why. The first reason being, the 24-70 has a really usable focal range. 24mm being really wide angle, and then 70mm being really telephoto. You can just walk around with this attached to your camera all day long. Hold on just a minute guys, I've just got to get some drone shots for this video. So after that drone flight, it's getting a bit late, so I've decided to pack up and I'm going to finish these reasons why back at the hotel room. So stick with us, let's go back. However, that being said, it's not super wide angle and it's certainly not super telephoto. Its focal range lies around the 50mm mark, which is roughly what the human eye can see, which makes this lens really easy to use straight out of the box, because you're already used to seeing what your eye can see, aren't you? This lens is fast. I don't mean fast like a cheetah, I mean it's got a 2.8 aperture. That means you can shoot 2.8 in low light situations and you can get a lot more light onto your sensor, and therefore not having to push up your ISO so much. You can also create that creamy bokeh. Win-win. Just kidding. What I'm trying to say here is this lens is sharp. And I don't mean sharp edges, I mean you get sharp images out of it. It's nearly as sharp as some prime lenses. I mean, you've got a 24-70mm range here, and it's as sharp as some prime lenses. Why wouldn't you go with this? I have no idea. Why wouldn't you? This thing's really solid. And I mean really solid. This thing comes out with me everywhere. In the blazing sun, the freezing cold, the wind, the rain. Hell, this has even survived a car crash. And it's smashed against my face. And it's still going. It's about £700 to £800 to pick up. But seeing how solid it is and how long it's lasted me, it's really earned its money. It really has. These things are near on bulletproof. So there you are guys, my favourite lens, the 24-70 2.8. I can recommend this piece of glass to anyone who's looking to buy their first professional lens. Don't just take my word for it though. Ask anyone on the internet and they'll point you straight to this guy. This is such a usable and versatile lens, straight out of the box. And the only reason you'd ever get rid of it is because you've broken it and you're looking to buy another one. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've loved it, subscribe. And I'm going to leave you with the cinematic content that I captured down at Wastwater. See you in the next one, guys.